Hey there mga my loves, Aries! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in the channel, babes, of course, no? And hi and hello there, new subscribers. Ako po pala si Yan. Welcome. Tuloy po kayo. Kamusta? At sa mga pabalik-balik ko ng mga subscribers, maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawa at walang patid na suporta. So yun nga, no, wala tayong gender here. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers. You can play roles if you want. And at the end of the day, meron kayong free will at free kayo to use that. Tandaan nyo yan, okay? So, by the way, no, bago natin simulan ng reading na to, no, let me just announce that this month and the next 2 months, so May, June, July, would be, no, ang pinakatatlong importanteng buwan. Bakit, no, ng 2024? Kasi, this 3 months right here, no, I want you guys to focus in achieving your dreams and goals in life. So if you can definitely make movements or actions patungkol sa dreams na ipupursu ninyo, sa mga goals ninyo, mga binabalak, mga plano, whatever, no? So, go ahead, do that, sweetheart, because 3 months right here, no, is definitely one of the important months, no, na ipupush ninyo ang inyong mga dreams and goals in life. Okay? So I want you to achieve all of your dreams and goals in life. Okay, so do everything, okay, whatever it takes to go after your dreams. Okay, so let's go ahead and check these messages here for you, Aries sweethearts. Spirits and angel guides, Archangel Michael, maraming salamat. Thank you for being present here in this reading. This is for my lovely Aries. Tell me something about my lovely Aries. Ano pong mga gusto ninyong iparating at sabihin, mga mensahe patungkol kay Aries, mga bagay na dapat nilang malaman. Spirits and angel guys, thank you so much. Tell me something about me, Aries. Aries. Okay. So, let's go ahead, Aries, and check these messages here. Pero ilatag naman na natin lahat before we start your reading, okay? So, you have here the 8 of Cups energy. 5 of Cups. Ace of Wands, 10 of Swords, 10 of Wands. You could be seeing a lot of number 10, sweetheart. Doesn't have to be. Wow. Wow, I love it. Aries, I'm seeing you marrying someone here. Definitely. Strong signals, no? Ang nagpapaya, no? 3 of Wands energy. In the near future, I'm seeing you getting married with an emperor right here. At nakikita ko ng emperor na to, no? Handa niya ritong itaya ang lahat para sa'yo. Nakuha ko rito ang energy, no? Ng mga energy na nahagip ko doon sa ginawa kong reading earlier. Okay? Doon sa other channel ko, no? Na Dalnim. So, ang link dyan, kung gusto niyo mapanood yun, Aries, ay nasa description box. Okay? So, I'm seeing you that you will definitely meet someone really special here. Pwedeng nakilala mo na pero yung iba makikilala mo pa lang at hindi mo na siya pakakawalan pa. Itong person na to ay may dalawa ritong indikasyon, Justice card, 4 of Wands energy, 9 of Cups, na siya na yung taong pakakasalan mo. Dahil for some reason, this person here will definitely help you heal all your wounds of the past. Sa lahat ng mga nakakonekta mo, siya lang talaga yung tumago sa puso mo. At siya lang yung tatagos sa puso mo. So, kung sino man tong energy na to, no, you find it very comforting, very healing, and you feel like parang familiar yung energy. When we say familiar, you feel like parang nakilala ko na siya pero ewan ko. Yan, no? Hindi ko alam, pero parang komportable na ako sa kanya. So, there could be some kind of a strong soul-to-soul connection already happening bago pa kayo magtagpo. Doesn't have to be na meron kayong encounter ng one of your past lives, pero sa iba, could be yes. But I do see that you already feel this person here bago pa kayo nagkakilala. Yan. Wow. Aries, you've got someone here you will definitely marry. Wow. So, wow. So, I do see that this person here will bring balance into your life, no? Yung iba, ang ganda ng trabaho niyo, may trabaho kayo, stable na kayo. Okay naman yung life ninyo, no? Pero siya na lang yung kulang sa buhay ninyo and for some reason, you feel like, no, na parang umandar na ulit ng maayos yung flow ng oras mo after meeting this person here. This person will bring balance in your life like no other can ever do. Wow! So, I do see that instantly, pwedeng meron ka na rin agad na maramdaman sa kanya na this could be the one for me. I don't know, this person feels so special to me. Ganun. That's the energy. Wow. So aside from that, I'm seeing right here that someone here did walk away from you in the past or just recently, maybe someone here broke your heart, break up with you, pushed you away. This person here is now regretting that big time, reminiscing your memories together. This person here is still holding this passion and love for you, or this person here thought hindi ka na talaga niya mahal. Hindi ka na talaga niya mahal, or this person thought hindi ka naman niya mahal. Pero it looks like hindi yun yung case. Because when this person here walked away from you, he or she thought that that was the biggest decision here na magbe-benefit siya. Pero it turned out the wrong way. So, this person here, akala niya hindi ka niya mahal, pero yung totoo, mahal ka pala niya. Kasi there's pain. Hindi siya maka-move on sa'yo, Aries. And whoever this individual is, this person here is still holding this super passion for you. Love. Ngayon niya lang na-realize. This person here did a mistake. Sana hindi ko na lang ginawa yon. Sana hindi ko na lang ginawa yung desisyon na yon. Eh di sana wala ako sa ganitong klase ng posisyon ngayon in my life. Wherein I'm waiting for something here. Na parang kahit nasubukan kong itapon ng itapon yung feelings ko para kay Aries, bumabalik at bumabalik lang rin. Now, this person here feels like he or she is at a crossroad of his or her life right now, trying to leave all of the memories, but this memories keeps on hunting him or her down. This person, for some reason, malungkot siya ilang araw na, ilang linggo na rin para sa ibang lumilipas. Yung iba, hinihintay pa rin niya kayo rito, no, sa kabila ng mga pinadala niya rito mga mensahe ay hindi pa rin kayo sumasagot. So, kasi naman tong energy na to, no, sinubukan niya rin talaga, nakalimutan kayo, at sinusubukan niya yan ngayon para sa iba sa kanila. Pero napakahirap nitong gawin. Kasi kahit anong putol ang gawin niya sa kanyang isipan na huwag ka nang isipin, huwag ka nang mahalin, ganun at ganun pa rin. Bumabalik at bumabalik pa rin siya sa kanya ritong feelings para sa'yo. Now this person here feels doomed. What have I done? That is the biggest question. Regret. Mhm. Hashtag regret for this person here. So aside from that, honey, Aries, I do see that if you are already with this emperor that we're talking about, okay, maybe may Aries din siya sa kanyang chart or kahit wala, may fire siya sa kanyang energy, no? Kahit anong zodiac sign ka din ninyo, pwede yan. Ang ibig ko lang sabihin, no, is the person that you're dealing with, hindi siya mahiyain, at saka, this person here is lively, funny, parang siya yung nakakapagpabuhay ng grupo, pag may naantok, parang kaya niya pagisingin, mga ganon. So, whoever that individual is, that individual will make you definitely forget about what happened tragically sa iyong past. This person is someone here that will definitely yung iyong new passionate new beginning dito. With the Two of Cups energy, nakikita kong magiging magkarelasyon kayo niyan, tao na yan, kung sino man yan. At yung iba pwedeng magkarelasyon na kayong dalawa, at yung iba na hindi pa dumadating sa life ninyo, magiging magka-relationship kayo niyan. Yan o, sabi ko nga sa inyo, there are two souls who feel each other's cup. Ayan o, diba? So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing that both of you will definitely feel this happiness, emotionally available kayo sa isa't isa, and every day will always be a happy day, no? Yung iba rito siguro mabalbon kayo mga mahal, no? At yung iba naman, no, posibleng magkaiba kayo ng skin color. Maybe one is whiter or fairer than the other, or the one is darker than the other. But this could not be the case. Others, there's could be different in age, might be age gap, difference in height, culture, background, tradition, beliefs, religion, whatever that is. Okay? Hindi makakapekto yon because both of you will definitely pursue this connection here. You'll marry this person, Aries. Yeah, I keep on repeating that because I'm seeing you wearing that white gown, walking down the aisle, and wala tayong gender dito, no? Basta I'm seeing that you're really coming closer together with the one that you're married with. And I do see you here definitely stepping into this new life while this past person is waiting for you to approach him or her or to reach out him or her, but that is so impossible to happen. Excuse me. So, I do see that this person here, naglalasing siya rito. Madalas. Might be twice a week or thrice a week. Yan. No? Kahit hindi kayang burahin ng alak ang mga alaala mo, no? Ay nako, nakikita ko nagiging madrama ang sitwasyon niya at umay na yung kasama niya sa inuman. Kakabanggit ng paulit-ulit niyang istorya, "Kasi kasalanan ko pre, kasi kasalanan ko talaga." Gano'n, 'no? Tapos yung kasama niya umay na 'no, tagahatid, tagasundo 'no, tagaligpit ng kalat at tagapunas 'no ng mga, inilabas niya rito ng mga alak 'no, sa pasintabi sa kumakain. So nakita ko dito 'no, na your past person here really almost feels like begging for you to come back to him or her, but it looks like you're running as far as you can, far away from this past lover here and running towards new love. Wow. So, I do see you guys, Aries, no? Na pagdating naman sa pinansyal, nakita ko rito na upong tagumpay kayo. Ang trono ay nasa iyo, sweetheart. So, meron dito tayong success lalo sa money mo. Kaya kung successful ka na ngayon sa career mo, may mga magaganda pang paparating, mga oportunidad na magpapalago ng negosyo mo. Expansion, kumbaga. So, yung iba pwedeng business partners yan, or yung iba naman, no, pwedeng opportunity na madadagdagan na yung branch ng iyong negosyo. From small business, I'm seeing you taking that big or larger business, no? Wow. And for others of you, I'm seeing you expanding here your skills and being promoted, being recognized by people here around you, co-workers, colleagues, or other people, could be staffs or whatever it is, no, nakasama mo sa work. So, nakita ko rin dito mga babes, no, na meron dito sa family mo, mayroon bang kayong alagang pusa, aso, ganyan, o kahit ano, no? Nakikita ko siya yung magdadala ng swerte lalo sa buhay mo. Yan. So, kung wala ka pang alaga, nakita ko rito na meron, pwedeng family member mo ang magdadala niyan sa bahay ninyo. Pero, nakikita ko na madadamay ka sa swerte dahil ang ang energy nung pet na yon, either dog yun or cat yun, no, ay sobrang lakas, positive energy na ibibigay niya sa lahat ng mga makakasama niya sa loob ng bahay. At isa ka sa hindi lang maaambunan, kundi talagang itong pet mo na ito, no, pet ninyo na ito, ang magdadala rito ng swerte sa inyong life, no. That person, I think is, I mean, that pet, no, is might be a person nung kanyang past life at marami siyang nagawang good deeds. Yan, no? So, dahil dyan, ang kanya ritong vibration ay high frequency. So, ang lahat ng hindi lang matatalsikan, kundi talagang damay-damay ito sa swerte. Wow! Kaya naman mga babes, no? Yan, no? Wala kayong kamalay-malay na baka may iuwi na yung kapatid ninyo, no? Na pusa kasi binigay ng friend niya, ng anak kasi 'no, yung cat nun or dog, whatever. Puwedeng may bibilhin kayo o kayo mismo bibili kayo ng pet or whatever 'no. 'Yan. So, if you have that in mind, go ahead, do that. Okay? Kasi kung sino yon 'no, na pet na yon, siya ang magiging light of the house and light of the world niyo. Wow! So, maliban diyan, nakikita ko dito na merong magka-camping. Puwedeng, staycation kayo ng iyong mga friends or family. Not literally camping, pero yung iba, oo. Pero yung iba puwedeng yung itsura lang ng accommodation is parang parang tent-like 'no, triangular yung shape, mga gano'n. So, just take how this resonates. So, nakikita ko rito na bakasyon galore. Tamang vacation lang, yung iba 2 days lang 'no or 3 days 'no, tamang relax lang 'no, together with family and friends. So, nakikita ko 'no na sakto 'yan kasi ang init ngayon 'di ba, push na. So, whatever it is 'no, it's like a refreshment para sa'yo at sa iyong friends or families mo, kung sino man yung makakasama mo sa isang outing or staycation dito, 'yan 'no, or vacation, mga ganyan. So, maliban dito Aries 'no, nakakuha rin ako rito ng isa pang mensahe na meron dito na parang gustong magpahayag sa'yo ng pagpapasalamat, 'yan 'no. Doesn't have to be na, ito yung lover mo or yung may crush sa'yo or whatever 'no, pero I'm seeing someone here coming forward. 'No, medyo nahihiya siya pero parang meron siya ritong gustong ipagpasalamat sa'yo. Yung iba puwedeng utang na loob, 'di ba, "Kami natulungan kayo no'n," ganyan 'no. Hindi mo alam kung gaano kalaking tulong yung natulong mo sa kanya. Kaya this person here, kahit nahihiya siya rito na magsalita ng gano'n kasi parang hindi siya yung gano'ng klase ng energy 'no na na magte-thank you lalo na yung mahaba yung sasabihin 'no. Hindi siya yung gano'n pero this time gusto niya 'tong gawin 'no. And lahat ng sasabihin niya although parang magiging dramatic ito, all of it 'no, ay totoo, 'no, all of it ay true. 'Yan, someone here will definitely want to thank you because you did something here in his or her life. 'Yan, okey? So ito ang mga mensaheng nakuha ko para sa'yo, Aries. Thank you so much sa oras mo. Sarang Heyo, love and light. Annyeong.